Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily crop an image in Mailchimp. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Mailchimp, and when you're going to be here, you want to click on the Content Studio on the left side, and then you're going to see here My Files, and here you want to simply click on whatever file you got, right? And you can click here on Edit Image, and here you get like options how you can crop it, and you can really choose whatever way you want to crop it, like this, right? Or choosing common crops and click save. So this is pretty much it how you do it. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah.